Hello friends, welcome to ASP.NET tutorial. In the last video, we get introduced to FormView control. Now we will display a simple FormView control in web form. So that's what we are going to do in this part of the sub-series, simple FormView, and we are going to display that in the web form. Alright, let's create a simple form view based web page. Let's go to the demo. Alright, now we'll create a new web project. And let's have C demo, and here form view demo. That's the name we are giving to the project as well as a solution. And we will click OK now. Then we will go ahead with the default. This we did multiple times in each of the sub-series. We are going with the same stuff. Alright, the project is ready. Now we will add a web form. So here we are naming the form as FormView web form and adding that to the solution. Let's switch to design view and bring up the toolbox. So first we will drag and drop the SQL data source. We did this multiple times in this course, and we will configure it. If there is no connection, we will create a new connection. Click next, accept the default, and we will pick jobs one. I already cloned. If you need, you can go for jobs. Here I'm going with the jobs one. And here in the advanced section, generate the insert, update, and delete statements. And when you are doing so, you have to make sure that the table contains a primary key. The default jobs table will have job ID as primary key. If you are creating the clone of job from jobs one from job, you need to set primary key in the backend. Alright, now let's click next, test the query, and click finish. Here SQL data source is ready. Now we will simply place a form view control, and by default it doesn't display anything. We have to assign a data source. Here we are assigning the SQL data source 1, which we already configured. We will choose auto format as a simple one and will apply. Then we will ask for enable paging and save the content. If required, we can expand it. That's all. Now when you look at the source, and I think we can set header text here. This will appear in the top of the form. We will have the header detail as jobs details. That's all. Now let's look at the source. And in the source, if you see, we have a lot of template configured for us. So this is SQL data source. We already created this SQL data source and configured it. Then this is our form view control, and the form view control comprised of edit item template, which will get invoked when you click the edit link. Right? When you click edit link, that will get invoked. So edit item template. Then we have insert item template. This is invoked when we are inserting a new record. Then item template, that will get displayed for read-only purpose. User can navigate through the records with this item template. Right? That's all. Now let's go to the design view and we will rebuild the solution. So here rebuild all is succeeded. Now we can run the form. So if you see, this is how the default form that get displayed. You can navigate through the records. Right, looks just like our detail view control which we saw earlier, but this is form view control, and you can freely move these controls wherever you want. Now when you click edit, this will invoke the edit item template. Delete will delete the record. If you see, the job got deleted, and when you click new, this will invoke the insert item template. You can enter the record and you can click the insert here. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.